Welcome, folks. We got some deer. And there's one behind that tree, too. Oh, there! And there's the puppy dog. Look at the deer looking at my puppies. Look at the deer looking at my puppies. Now he's looking at me. Oh, shit!
That's a little Bambi.
Yeah.
The fawn.
Yeah, fawn these. What are you doing, puppies?
Alright, use your responsibility then.
Yeah. See you, Daddy. Love ya. Oh dear! And look, there's a bird. Hi, Mr. Bird! Naturist! Jurist! Okay, good, guys. This is as close as I'm getting to these guys.
We gotta get them some bread juice so they can trust us.
Yeah. Hi, puppy wuppies.
If you get thrown it up there, then they know it's coming from you,
Yeah.
Come back over, I'll give you some bread and Rice Krispie treats.
Okay, oh, I'm getting bitten up by the nature that surrounds this grass here. They like to jump up and grip me up. Isn't that right, dearie wearies? Yeah, you guys are... He's taking a shit! I just saw a deer take a shit on camera. I just saw turds come out of his booty. He just took a shit. Well, he just took a shit. Whoa, that's the shit pond. The shit pond. The shit pond. Bye, Dad. Bye, puppies. Holy shit. Oh, no, we did. Is that a shit that goes to church? It's a holy turd. It's holy shit. Sniffing himself there. Strange. Weird words. Is that a deer's head up there? It looks like it, folks. I would turn my back. That looks like a deer's head up there, folks. Oh, there! Wow. Look at him. Was he coming out here on the field? Let's look at these deer over here. That one. Holy shit. Okay. Oh, you can see him up there. Yes. Yes! Come! Come! Dearie, dearie, dearie. Wow. It was cool. This was cool. I got to see this deer take a shit. That might be like the third shit we saw a deer took on this show, which is just impeccable. Thank you for the video, for coming out. Good job. Thanks so much. This video's about to hit 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, folks. And I'll see you on the next Neighbor's Nature. Peace.